In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Zoosk online dating account. So let's get started right away. Open up your Zoosk online dating application on your mobile device, or simply open up a preferred web browser. In the web address bar, type in zoosk.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page, from where you can easily sign up or log into an account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and fill in your information in this page. You can also sign up via your Facebook account or your Google account. If you already have an existing account, tap on the login link at the top right. Now, enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure to enter the same email address and password that you created while signing up for Zoosk.com. After you are done entering your email and password, tap on I'm Human at the bottom and tap on the login button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Zoosk online dating account. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.